Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and here I am showing another quick and easy card. Today I'm going to be featuring one of the design series paper that are in the new holiday catalog, and it's called Frosted Floral. As usual, you can see all the colors that are included on this pack, and I mean this pack is just gorgeous. I love all the flowers on it, and you can see I've been using it a lot of projects. One of the cool things is that this was printed on shimmery paper, and so you can see there is a shimmery look on it on both ends. So it's just gorgeous. It's a little bit it's like a regular design series paper because it feels thinner than the majority of our specialty designer packs, but this one again is all shimmery, so I love it. One other thing is that most of them have all the flowers or the floral pattern on one side, and then on the other one is more of a monochromatic color. So you can see some of them here. Like I said, you are probably seeing me using it a lot. And like I said, this pack is just absolutely fantastic. So, the color coordination on this card, on this pack is also one of my favorites. I love a lot the Blackberry Bliss, so I'm using it a lot. And so let's just get started with the card. So, the card base that I have here is mint macaron, and this one I had it on the long side. This one is 11 by 4 1/4. I had already pre-scored at 5 1/2, which is half of the cardstock, and we're gonna be just as usual folding it with our bone folder. Then I have a piece of Blackberry Bliss, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. You can see here 5 1/4, and as usual I have die cut from here the escallop circle that I'm going to be using for my sentiment. So I always do that because that helps me save paper. Then I have two pieces of the design series paper, and this one is 3 3/4 by 3 1/4, and this one is 3 3/4 by 2. Oh, actually it's by 2 1/2. So this one is a little bit longer than what I had planned, I guess. Oh, it looks gorgeous. I think it's perfect. Okay. I usually try to leave a little bit of this one longer, because that way they overlap and it's just easier for you to make your frame however you want it, rather than just glue it or cut it exactly at the same distance, if you know what I'm saying here. So let's just get started. So I know this section, I'm not going to be doing anything else. Oh, and I had also die cut a stitch. This is the second to the largest, or actually the second from the largest to the smallest of the stitch shape framelits, and this one is cut with the layering circles from the Blackberry Bliss. So like I said, let's just get started here. I know this section it's gonna glue down. I'm not gonna be doing anything else. Ooh. So we're gonna go ahead and leave a frame. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one. And honestly, I think I'm gonna be cutting a little bit because I wanted to show less of this. And I don't know why I thought it was 2. You know, I had a 2 1/2, so I'm gonna do 2 1/4. Or yes, just a little bit smaller. Yes, I think I like it better that way. And we're gonna go ahead and glue this section to the card. Okay, now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shimmer ribbon, and I'm using the Pool Party. Fantastic, I love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a piece of it. And we're gonna be using glue dots. So I love using glue dots for ribbon. Just go ahead and do that. And we're gonna put it like so. Just gonna following the line. There we go. And now I can glue this here. That's pretty much it here. I'm gonna put a little bit of adhesive here. Oh. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it there. Oh, there we go. So how does it open? Yes, like so. And we're gonna glue our card here. Now for this section, I'm gonna be putting it like so. And because I want to showcase really these cute flowery, I'm using the Rooted in Nature. And remember, there's 2 sets, but I'm actually just using not 2 sets. There's 2, I mean, this is a 2K set. There's a lot of images here. This is the one that has all the trees. But for this one, I'm focusing mainly on the sentiment, because I want to use that thinking of you. Oh, I already had it mounted. Sorry about that. And let's just use the Blackberry Bliss. Yes, Blackberry Bliss will be fine. And we're going to stamp it like so. All right. And voila. Is that not gorgeous? I love Blackberry Bliss so much. And let me just make sure I clean it using my chamois. Give me 1 second here. This one will go here. And I have pre-made one of these little bows with the same ribbon, and I want to put it like so. And I think this one will be it, because I don't want to put many things on this. However, give me a second here. I'm trying to see if maybe I could add something else here. Let's see. Oh, maybe some of these little sequins. Oh yeah. So let's just give it a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one with dimensionals, and my dimensionals, I just run out of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the borders. Give me 1 second here, it's bothering me. A little backing. I'm gonna put this on the trash can in a second. Oh, another backing. Oh goodness. Oh goodness gracious. I'll take all the trash can out, because it bothers me all the time seeing those little backings everywhere. They kind of stick everywhere, I'm not kidding you. There we go. And so now let's just add it to the car front. I'm going to be gluing this one with the glue dot. I'm going to put 2 of these. There we go. And then, let me see. I don't know if this will be the right tone. I think it has to be, well, let's see. This one looks nice. Oh, I think this one looks nicer. So I'm just gonna add like a couple of these things here and there. I think that should be it. Less is better sometimes, you know. Sometimes I go crazy and I put so many and then I'm like, ugh. So I think that will look good. So I'm using those sequins. And I love that they have adhesive in the back, so it's really easy to put them. So here it is. So that's the card for today. As usual, don't forget about my ordering incentive. So you get a free card kit in the mail when you place an online order with me using the hostess code, and you get the hostess code out of creatingwithali.com. And usually the card kit ships the following month because this is a monthly incentive. It is to make 4 cards. You'll get everything, instructions with a PDF with pictures, as well as the paper and everything, accessories that you need. Now, there's no stamping there, but you can always substitute with whatever you have, or even better, you can purchase that stamp set the following month and get again the card kit of the month. And if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, leave me some comments. Let me know how you like this card. Like I said, this paper is absolutely fantastic. I love the shimmery look, and hope you have enjoyed this card tutorial. So anyway, we'll see you soon. Goodbye.